Hi, I'm Marquita Little, the Health Policy Director at Arkansas Advocates for Children and Families. So I'm going to be talking about important issues around health that you may want to ask candidates when you're considering who to vote for during this election season. One of those key questions is, how will we protect coverage gains we've made for children in our state? So today we have over 95% of kids in our state with health coverage. And that's because of the great job we've done of enrolling kids in our Kids First program. Even though we've continued to see increases in things like poverty rates, kids have been protected from dangerous cuts to their health coverage because we have the Kids First program. So we want to ensure that we can do all we can in the state to maintain that program and keep those kids covered. Another key question is, how do you feel about expanding coverage to all children in our state? Despite the huge gains we've made, we still have a small group of children who are left out of coverage or subject to significant delays enrolling. And those are children who legally reside in our state, many of whom are Hispanic or Marshallese children, but they do not have a pathway to affordable coverage. States are able to make a policy decision that would allow us to remove those barriers to coverage, but unlike 31 other states in Arkansas, we've not yet adopted that policy. So this is a really important issue if we want to get to 100% coverage for every single child in our state. Finally, another important question is, what's that candidate's position on maintaining expanded coverage for adults in our state? In Arkansas, we expanded coverage to over 250,000 low-income adults in our state, and they now have access to affordable coverage options that didn't exist before. It's an important issue because we want to have a healthcare system in our state where everyone has access to coverage regardless of their income level. And because children often share the same coverage status as their parents, it's important for those parents and caregivers to also have access to affordable coverage if we're to maintain those gains for children and for those families. For more information on important health policy issues or other issues that are important for you during this election season, please visit our website, or you can visit us on Facebook or Twitter.